this is one of those dishes you make once and it works for any meal. It freezes well, it's simple, and it actually tastes good. Let's make salted salmon, or shiozake. The trick with this dish is that you're basically giving the fish a light cure before cooking. It builds flavor and it firms up the texture. It also helps the skin to get really crispy. I buy a whole fillet, I cure it all at once, and then I freeze it. So to cure, you salt it a little heavier than you would think. This helps to draw out that moisture. It's about 4% of the weight of the fish. And then you add some sake to clean up that flavor and add depth. Now you'll cover it, put it into the fridge overnight. If your pieces are thinner, a few hours may be enough. What you're looking for is for the texture to be firm. Now the next day, this is when I freeze a few portions. They thaw in about 20 minutes. It's a lifesaver when you don't have a plan. And for the pieces you didn't freeze, we're eating this for breakfast. Cook it skin side up first, get it crispy, then flip just to finish.
Alright.
Crispy skin, firm salmon, rich flavor. You can see the little char on the sides. That skin's going to have a nice little crunch. I have converted people who don't like salmon with this dish. We usually eat it with rice, vegetables, maybe some kimchi. Easy, balanced, done.